again, the key to this problem is understanding physically what we're doing. We start with ice that's well below the freezing point of water, so we first need to raise the temperature of the ice from minus 63 degrees C up to 0 degrees C. Then, once the ice is at 0 degrees C, we can melt that to water at 0 degrees C. Then we'll use whatever remaining heat is left of our 1200 calories to raise the temperature of the liquid water. So let's walk through these calculations. First, we need to heat the ice to the transition temperature, the melting point of 0 degrees C. So we have our mass, our specific heat capacity of solid water, and our delta T. Then we have the heat to melt the ice to liquid water. So we have our mass times our heat of fusion. So both of these values are subtracted from the supplied amount of heat to get the amount of heat that's left over that can be used to raise the temperature of the water. So now we can calculate our delta T, the heat divided by mass and specific heat of water, and now we're dealing with liquid water. And this delta T is added to our initial temperature to get the final temperature of the water.